Welcome to Birds of Australia. In Australia, from the cold climate down south to all the way up north in the tropics, we find a great variety of bird species. This segment is about Corellas, a subgenus of white cockatoos that are often found in flocks of a few dozen individuals throughout Australia. Being mainly a seed eater, the Corella is not welcome at all by some farms. And to make matters worse, it hangs around with others of the Cacatua family, like the galah and the sulphur-crested cockatoo. The Corella is quite a playful bird and very smart.